And now, First Warn 5 weather.
Hey everyone, had Tropical Storm Beta come this way, we would have been talking about wind and rain right now across the region. But instead, we're talking about nice temperatures. Check this out. We actually had a nice day, and now we're looking at temperatures around 68 degrees in Edinburgh, 69 in Rio Grande City and Wesco, and 71 in Harlingen. The warm spot, South Padre Island at 80 degrees. And overnight tonight, we could see those temperatures dip down into the lower and mid 60s across the region. 64 in Rio Grande City, 65 for Edinburgh. A little bit warmer in McAllen and Brownsville because they are bigger cities. We see those warmer temperatures around 67 degrees, but still, that's pretty nice for this time of year here in the Rio Grande Valley. Here's a look at outside Sky 5. Not a drop of rain, not a drop of wind, or not a drop of wind, of course, but you see the forecast for tomorrow. We have a cool start to the day, 68 degrees at 8 a.m. By noon, we're looking at temperatures around 81, 84 by 5 p.m. A stray shower is possible. We only have that on the forecast just in case. It's only about a 10% chance of rain, mostly sunny, mostly cloudy rather, by 10 p.m. with temperatures in the mid 70s. Over the next day or so, we're going to see those temperatures climbing up just a little bit more. Temperatures in the upper 80s tomorrow, mid 80s for the mid and lower valley, mostly cloudy skies. Again, that stray shower is possible, only about a 10% chance of rain. Now let's take a look at the tropics. This is Tropical Storm Beta, has winds of 60 miles per hour, moving west-northwest at 6 miles per hour. It's eventually going to make landfall somewhere between Corpus Christi and Houston. And check out that wind. The yellow is the tropical storm force winds impacting Houston tomorrow afternoon. This is Monday. This is at 7 p.m. It could make landfall tomorrow evening. Eventually, it should make a right turn and become a tropical depression. It's looking kind of weak now as we start to see a lot of shear taking over, dry air actually going into the storm now too. So it looks like it may dissipate or dwindle a little bit the next couple of days. It may actually go back into the Gulf of Mexico, but it looks like the intensity of that will be pretty minimal. Here's a look at the tropical weather outlook for the Atlantic Basin. There's Beta on the left, on the west side of the Gulf of Mexico. There's also another little area near the Florida Peninsula, 0% chance of development over the next few days. That was at 10% earlier today, but it's gone down a little bit. Teddy looking pretty strong now. Category 2 is going to impact Bermuda. We also have Wilfred, that is now a low pressure system there, and 60% chance of development over the course of the next 5 days for the northeastern Atlantic. Here's a look at the NAM model. Finally takes Beta into land tomorrow afternoon and evening, and then it finally fizzles away by Tuesday. But notice how it's pretty quiet for the valley through the next couple of days here. Wednesday looking pretty dry, and pretty dry for the rest of the week. 10% chance of rain tomorrow. It's dry Tuesday through Friday, and then we could see those rain chances increase a little bit on Saturday and Sunday. Coastal forecast, northwest wind at 20 to 25 knots. Small craft advisory in effect. In addition to that, we also have a coastal flood warning and a high surf advisory until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Those could be extended. So for tonight, we're looking at a valley average of 66 degrees, mainly clear skies, nice and cool, and then temperatures in the mid 80s for tomorrow. And here's a look at your First Warn 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Dry for the majority of this forecast period. Temperatures in the upper 80s and lower 90s each day. That's a complete look at your First Warn 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast.